vlogging on the GoPro Hero 7. Is it worth it? Is it doable? Stick around and find out in this episode.
I just wanna be someone who matters, a free-falling vagabond. Come on, feel my heart beating faster.
So today's video is a camera review, the GoPro Hero 7. We're gonna find out, is this camera really great for vlogging? If you're new to this channel, my name is Kostas. Normally the channel focuses around the restaurant, but lately I've been getting more and more into filming and more into like video creation. So spliced into the channel amongst the podcast and the restaurant vlogs and recipes and stuff like that, I'm gonna definitely throw in a few camera reviews. My newest piece of equipment here, I actually lost my old GoPro on the ski trip, so link to that video right here, go check out that. It was pretty epicness. Today I'm cycling and I thought this was like the perfect opportunity to test out the GoPro. I did not bring my helmet mount or my chest mount, so I'm semi-limited to some of the footage I'm capturing today. Biggest thing that everybody's talking about is the audio. So I'm just using the onboard camera microphone. So you can let me know. It's a little windy out here too, so I have to see how much of that hiss is being picked up by the camera. Let's get back on the bike, let's go ride a little longer and see where the journey takes us today. All right, guys? So the biggest thing that everybody's talking about with the GoPro 7 is its built-in stabilization. And as you see, I'm riding one-handed, kind of on a rough road on this stick here. So if it was to be wobbly or unstable at any time, I think this would be the time. By the way, before I opened the restaurant, I was doing Ironmans and stuff like that. So, well, let me correct myself. I was doing half Ironmans. So that's 1.2 in the water, 56 on the bike, and 13 on the road, or running, as they say. So I was like super duper in shape. And then the restaurant happened. My entire life got sucked into that. Figured I'd dust off the old bike, see if I still got a little something in me. But it's not looking like I do. This is the camera stabilization test on the GoPro Hero 7. I hope this helps. The Hero 7 is lacking is the different focal lengths. Like there's wide and linear. I do remember the Hero 5 had like multiple different focal lengths. A lot of other filmmakers know like shooting the super wide fisheye look is like not very cinematic and kind of gives it that GoPro-y look, as they say. And like even when I record in 60 frames a second, I'm stuck with this ultra wide point of view. So it's like linear and wide. So I'm not a big fan of that. They felt like users weren't utilizing those different focal lengths. They're just like, take it out. I don't know what their thinking was behind that. Besides the slow-mo, which I like to shoot at 60 frames a second, I like to get some good time lapses. It's a beautiful like cloudy day today. And we have a big Texas sky behind us. And I'm out here actually at the turning point of my ride. So I'm gonna take a little bit of a break and get a nice time lapse. So here's that. I I just wrapped up my little snack here. I knew that time lapse was gonna be epic with all that cloud coverage. I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. Guys, that concludes the test of the GoPro 7. I'm here back at the house. Gonna grab some lunch. Hope you guys found this review helpful. If it's your first time here again, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that like button and leave a comment below, and we'll see you guys in the next video, all right?
I wish we were going to the beach this year.
You do? Even though that you're like...
Well, if we rented a house and we got a pool in the backyard, I could just go to the pool with the girls. It's great to be out in the sunshine again.
Yeah? Yeah, them dogs, they got all that space over there. They got 5 dogs.
Oh, no.